Got a special little treat here today. Got an explosion-proof baking tray here. Inside, we've got a phone that seems to be pregnant. What we have here is a phone with an expanded battery. The battery sort of pushed the screen out there, you can see, and the back a little bit. Now, the goal here is to remove the battery without having it getting punctured in any way, because that would be a bad thing. Also, this is an Essentials branded phone. From everything I've seen, this phone is supposed to be nearly impossible to open up without cracking the screen. However, I'm hoping that the fact that the batteries kind of started doing the work for us and getting the screen out, I'm hoping it helps a bit. Well, one way to find out. Gonna use this little spudging tool here. Try to get it open. So far, so good. Halfway there. Problem with the other side is looks like only the back panel here has been pushed off. We got really lucky on this side where the front panel and the back panel was pushed off here. Hopefully we can, it hopefully won't crack here. Okay, it's starting to go. Yeah, looks like we might be home free. Just got to get this connector off here now. There's two screws holding this metal clip here, and then there's a press fit connection with some pins underneath. Okay, gonna see if I can remove this little back metal piece here without having to take this ribbon cable off for now. Just to make it easier to temporarily put back together again. Not sure why that's not coming off there. Oh, and that's going to be leaning right on the battery. It's not good. Ah, of course I missed a screw. Here we go. Okay, second to last step is to take out this little screw right here. Then this little metal latch it's connected to. Okay, now last step, and this is where it could go horribly wrong. We're gonna take out the actual battery by pulling these two guys, and it should be connected to a little elastic thing here. Oops. That's one. Now for the second one. Right. Okay. That's not good. I doubt I'm going to be able to get a grip on this with the tweezers. Let's see. Now, hopefully this battery should just come out. Or not. Feels like there's still a little bit of glue in there. Really don't want to risk puncturing it. Yeah, I can see more of the glue down there. Oh, there we go. One really swollen battery.